people them for Compina, they beg say make company wey the local lights, it bring them lights. Sabi say they don't shut down for 6 months where they never see light for inside Compina. Just now, operation generator na wey dey pass inside Compina wey dey for under Mongo division. Tori too for this afternoon, we go take una go for side where they call am say market for woman them. Sabi say na market where they sell bottle. If wanna be member for number 6 day inside number 3 moon, we be talk palava where they can chakara that market where they sell all kind of bottle them for inside. Now so too today, council for Douala 2, it don't turn back for the same market. E go chakara house where the person wey drive that woman them say make they no sell. If you want start for Pulam. Tori for this afternoon, we go concentrate to for on top that palava. Palava too for Corona, wanna sabi say a president, he don't do work wey president get for do. He don't send something them way he get for help. Plenty of the people them wey they never catch this sick wey they call am say Corona. Even as we plenty, they don't start ask question whether the thing that way Kunkuma is send, it go be correct for all man for inside one subdivision. Question where people they try for ask. Tori for this afternoon, newspaper them, the day for week before, where we go bring them for now. We get case for 2 people them, 2 way they don't lost. Big part talk for this afternoon, editor we say if you wash charcoal, no matter the kind of way, the kind of style where you take them for wash charcoal, Sabi say it no go ever shine. The kind of, no matter the kind of style where you take them for wash charcoal, Sabi say it no go ever shine. Now Oga Elunge, it is done from Gaundere. Now he send we big part talk for this afternoon. We return back small time. Them plenty glad for me top una for outside. They will go surely talk that tori will go bring them in the proper tomorrow. Wanna be sabi say last Friday when a couple e be there for here for knack tori for here for blow tori. E be talk palava some pikin or some man where they meet up am where they don't kill am for that side. So for new they do. The good news, the better tori will hear this afternoon. Now say they don't catch all the people them where they be get hand for that man where be die where they be the call it say Gaitan where he die for that side. For new day do Sabi say they catch them, ask them question, the people then say they agree, say na them they kill that guy town for that side. So for new day do so as well the top they don't send them direct for court, from court now from Gata where they go surely send them. So maybe tomorrow for people there they no be looked at tori na couple if be talk on last Friday we go talk am again for some time, but just for Sabi say with uniform people them they don't make investigate, so they put hand for the people there where they be kill that man for inside New Bell. Inside tori where we dey with the image, we go take una go for Compina, country people them, Compina side as well. Now the see people them, then the turn for daytime, light e dey for all corner, Papa got the light, but this pole there they turn up, pikin if you go climb on top, he play current e no go suck am. You say if you hold am, you make A1 A2 on top that rope, current no go suck you at all. All these things where they turn up for wall say metal, no nothing, e no the turn for day. You fit take that rope, you do any kind of thing, current no go suck you. Now for sika waiting, people them for Compina way na one of the small village under Mongo. Them say as all the talk just now, they no get light and they don't shit down for more than 6 months where they no get light. They the beg now na just beg. Say make company where it the local light, make it the see. Maybe them for Compina they know the see so they cry their cry, but the company where the local light it get for see, it go help the people the way they dey for inside dark for Compina. We the hear just now say number for the people themselves. They don't act for Compina just for sick say for night. When place it don't dark, people then they know the fit for come out. Now thief people them they work their work. If you turn for night, now so to they catch you thief your thing them. So they beg nana beg say make the company where it the local light for inside we country reach for Compina for try for do something. Maybe as well I talk, that people them for Compina they know the look so they cry that cry. But the company where the local light on a try for go fix light. We be talk with the chief for inside a Compina site. He try for tell we waiting it did the problem where they get for Compina.
I jump for a neo, then the minimize we always say they make the work, they don't take contract for Zonel. Then they ask say who they for Compina, who they for the land where they come fix up. They get for do the work now, or check up that work where they pay them. But at the one that say, instead say they do the work where they pay them for inside, Then they ask them, say, who they compina? We all will not have been sous-prefet. We all will not have been magistrate. We all will not have been governor. But we dey for we on run we dey. Now maybe they cheap from compina. Some of them, they never make self 10 here for them work where they work for a new. But me, I don't be cheap for ya. 40 here. That one, na plenty work. And me self, only for my heart, I get population already past 100 people. So that they do that one is small. And away from the day for the heart, they don't get 5 people. They don't get for the people that caution. Say who they compina. The one who from compina. If they one class of people from compina, make them bring them.
Now, chief that for inside the compina there be the terry palava for the light. But waiting be the Tron talk. We pass up, he get forgive for people them. We them the look out light. Make we hear again one time. He talk now for Gaston.
If you know they able for do your work, make them left the contract, make them resign, make so that they take another company wait to do the work. Because we don't eat a just for fast for banditism. Banditism they don't be eating for some plenty. Oh no we know. It never been 1 week. We bandit they don't have corner route for 2 kilometers for here. When they gone for net, all the one now they cause lad in all day. We say we know the insecurity because lad no day. Bandit they work out for a day and net for to make counter batting. So if you know they able for put away lad, time we down banditism it will grow. Sometimes all them installations some they put down it will be away. I want to say government a put away pool for cement. And I make they give we 3 phase where it will satisfy we for any way. And at that 3 phase, it will help we for make small enterprise where it will make money eat more for Sonel.
Now, if una be member fine, number 6 day for number 3 month 2020. We be cry this mommy them cry. Make we remind you now with this image will be take. Now for that side, so for market, some market for New Bell country people them where it dey so that market. If you want buy any kind of bottle for inside the well, this mommy the way they sell this bottle them, they get all kind of bottle. Whether na bottle way it broke or na plastic bottle. Now they work that way the mommy them they be the do for sell this bottle them for that side, so for inside market. And Sabi say they be can chakara that place. They say na some person say e be chakara this place where they talk say the person say he come after we mommy then they be the parent on top the land. The mommy then say they be surprised say why they get for can chakara them land when na for place where they make their binet all time. Mommy them they no vex, they no provoke. According to mommy then they be the blame. Say na as a divisional officer be give commander for the people there they come. But last mommy them they say they go kini, they go prayer. Say me Papa God say he hear. If na pacha they do am for them, then one day, tin them too, they go walk back for person wey drive them. But if no be pacha, all the money be net, e go na only for before. Abeg I make we just jump enter for thing wey happen today. Na just for tell we say anything wey dey happen, wey true, na better thing, e go stay. But if no be better thing, e no go ever stay. Na the same market that place on say wey jaga be dey for sika plenty bottle. After wey they drive mommy them say make they come out, the person e be already start for build house for them the same space. But today as well the talk Douala 2 council set up where mayor na Mami Fampu he don't send caterpillar to he don't go chakara the foundation where he dey so they be the bill for that side for the same market where they be drive this mommy them. No ask me why way he dey so they go chakara the foundation, but just now they talk say team way he dey like poison for another person, na team way be good for another person in eye. So now people them for iron they don't come they carry comot iron where they don't use them for build that foundation where they don't chakara. Just now for tell we say true that land where it be been a big problem for this mommy them where they be the say bottle them for them last it dey like say they go surely turn back for the same place as we Douala 2 council it don't come out for talk say the house it no go fit for continue. They don't chakara all thing for inside the house as we tourist except he enter for we ear. So just now all man it stay wait for see as we this land palava it go last end for inside place where they call them say a New Bell. Ash say he be put a microphone for some one mami him up where he say he be na one of the mami them where he dey so he be hear about after we they comot them for that their place. Mami, he talk for we, make una try for follow mami he talk.
I don't come for down inside where dem dey send portrait for update. I hear say place where dem be drop we for here. Dem don drop two people where dem be drop we. That say God get power pass all man way get power because na God dey keep power. God don show for people say na he get all authority. Na he get all pouvoir. Na he get all decision. God don show for all people say people wey dem they no dey worry so for people dem. For them dem dey told us say if they not dey like no man no fit get no power no any waiting for this. How God no leg for see water eye for Minkusa. He no leg for see water eye for pikin where the papa them don't die with them mommy. That's why they call for friends say of felon. I don't come.
Just now, as where they don't chakara that house, when at the same place where they drive mami them, say me they no sell but to them. They say mami them, they get one bag where they put them for before. Mayor for Douala 2 Council, Mafampu, make we hear the mami bag and wait where they want.
With the beg Mama Fampu say, how are this place? Then a place for Reggie Faircam. This place then a place for Gomna. We be suffer people. Make it live we for year. Make we become manager. How we be for manager because we go manage them so soon one day go reach way. Sometimes we say we see we small job or we say we small picking for school because the people that be being build this place now for more money for them money because them get plenty money.
Yes, and number 6 day for inside number 3 moon, town will be talk or town will be show them mami them. They be the cry and they be the talk saying a big patch where they make them for them. How their face be day today? Make we turn back for day. Sabi say even as well they don't chakara that place country people them, they don't chakara the foundation for house with the one bill. They never yet talk whether the mami they go turn back for day or they no go turn back. Maybe they glad for mami their eye, it didn't say they glad for mami their mind. If it didn't say waiting, at least justice it don't come. So as well the man drive them, they don't can drive the man too. So all man they stay wait whether the mami they will turn back for day or that place it go just day empty. For now, we go left that chapter. We open with small chapter for Corona for this afternoon. Just for Sabi say, according to way Minister Sesep Ibi talk, yesterday we don't get 101 case. Yesterday Cameroon get 101 case. New case them where they get them for Corona after we they test people them. But Sabi say, Ngomna, if you don't already start the prepare plan B for see you say if hospital they over start plenty or place where they get for keep people they over plenty, they get for send them for different sites. So for Carrefour Zue, one I don't see them. So now one of the annex to hospital where they go send sick people them for Corona and for they go look at them. So till they well, they go come out for this. So Minister Dr. Malauda Malashi, if you go see the work and the work people they say may they give them again 1 week. Say when they give them that 1 week, they go fit for do all the work for inside this small hospital where they make them. Now just hospital where after this sick, they go chakara all the place. Then the level where it means say they no go use it again like hospital. Before Minister, if you want go for Carrefour Zue for annex to hospital, if be day 2 for inside military field for that side. So for Yawende, for here the work it e don already the finish as well as the CM the small hospital dem do and then annex one wey sick people dem for corona they go put them on top bed for year where they go take look on them so tey when they finish well na that time wey they go left them dey comot for now na only bed wey they put am. Minister talk say other thing dey wey they go put am for corner that sick people dem bed and they dey train people dem just now wey they go dey work for inside this annex 1 and annex 2 hospital as well as sabi this small hospital wey dey make am na for under eye for central hospital for Yawende wey na dem say they get for the look at am this pipe water wey dey people there wey they know well they go use am. They say when the water go pass inside that pipe e enter for the gutter e dey go direct na from fundi na e mean say no man e no go get sick for Sika Palaba water wey e dey comot for there. So we dey give them time as so minister talk this place e go dey prepare 1 week and military field e don already prepare so we dey stay wait but we dey prayer say make number 7 no even go for up so that they no go use other two place them make up place e quiet na the prayer that say make no sick man e no enter for any of that places. So na for we for so continue for member the strong commander them wey the ngomna don give am for say make we fight this war sick wey them call am say corona we join hand we knack am comot am for inside we country. And just for sabi president we own president Nkunkuma Sesep wanna sabi say be promise 2 billion and that 2 billion na for dasham for population he like a president he don't see say all man in the hear bad for sika this palaba corona. Yesterday Gratango talk bye bye for uniform people them where they dey for before motor the way they carry all that cargo them they take am go for all the 10 region them for inside the country. That 2 billion na when Nkunkuma don't take by plenty in them. We hear say they get around that kind of 1,500,000 mask where they get for go divide them for inside the different division them or region them. Then inside the same chapter, when Asabi say we get other thing them, we get this face mask. When a doctor then says they go use that one and the one where they go divide them for population. We get soap too where they buy them. We get bucket them for wash hand. Bucket two where they work people then where they look out they sick people that don't use them. And we get other thing them like thing for make people them breathe air. Then the important thing to a day for inside here they get test where when they test you as we grad and go talk they test how if they test you say you get corona it go come out inside 5 minutes. Now inside 5 minutes they go sabi whether you get the sick or you no get the sick. One time when they divide them as center governor where they call in Naseri Paul Bayam he says he just start divide they cargo them for all the senior divisional officer them where they did now them go carry them now go for their division them then from there they go start for divide for other places. But plenty people they don't they ask question on top this cargo them now better thing say president he don't do work with ye like president for country he get for do when this kind of thing they happen. But they ask if one carton get 40,000 soap or 4,000 soap them for inside one carton when you divide them you try for check how many people them they for inside one region you go check say they like say this cargo you know go surely reach plenty people them. Another thing we more and no forget Cameroon now for take am keep two for corner say make my own family too get just imagine say all the people they get for take keep how many people them they go get them now big question where people then just now they ask on top this cargo them when Nkunkuma don't send them sabi say now for 360 subdivisions them all man he must to get some of this thing them but people they ask question say the thing it go surely bring fight for some place as well they so no be now all man he go get them now palava for wait see whether even Mrs. F ambassador I go get my own when they go to divide them for inside Douala. Mrs. I then a person for Cameroon no. So the wait if I get my own then mean say all man get for get own. But people they doubt say the thing it go correct all people them. But anyhow now for say Nkunkuma don't do your own but they talk say we get for do plenty more than this for say Cameroon it plenty. So the cargo them plenty they already enter for some region them and it left now say may they start for divide them. As so talk now 2 billion when Nkunkuma take by all that in them. And since we talk on top this palaver for corona, Sabi say since plenty they no sabi whether Kumba 3 subdivisions except e dey will be last turn we land for sideway office for Kumba 3 subdivision dey as we land for them we see am say place e quiet. Kumba 3 na one of the subdivision the way the kene for inside Meme division for Sikadis Palaba popcorn wey e dey happen for northwest and southwest, but DO e be dey for e office and we try for meet up with the DO for ask wetin he don dey do for say make a population the one the way they dey make the sabi say sick e dey outside since we start. Make we hear wetin we DO for Kumba 3 subdivision talk for microphone for Nzaibwe.
That all wetin wey we don do, wey we dey go out, we talk to the populations, we shout, we talk, tell them say make any man keep safe. Wetin wey I wan tell people for Kumba 3 na say COVID-19 no be na lie, COVID-19 no be na play. Say make dem fear coronavirus. Coronavirus dey actually exist and e dey kill, and e dey kill very rapidly. So all the measures dem wey dem don put am in place, wey dem don talk with the medical officers, the World Health Organization and our government don talk for say make we implement am. Make any man for his own level, he try for see how if he make sure say this particular instructions or dispositions wey they don't tell we make we do, make them be carried out. Coronavirus na really sick, it actually exist.
Yes, na DO that for Kumba 3 subdivision. It tell we wetin we don't do and wetin we did so continue for advise people the way they dey under a subdivision for that side. So for Meme division. Now for Southwest region, abega since we dey for Southwest, maybe we go surely carry one of we element last cocoa. We'll put them for them. We'll find a delegate for public health, delegate for public health for Southwest. It means in a person they look at all sick people them. If we get Ndongame who governor yesterday, when on Monday for try for talk or we be then a Tuesday, sorry, for try for talk with people them for that side. So for Southwest, how waiting they happen for this palava for corona. Delegate for sick people talk say they don't check plenty people them for Southwest, but inside that 200 and something or 300 and something people that they don't check, and around 31 or 21 people them for Southwest they positive for this sick for corona. Make we hear wait away Dr. Ebongo Zax. He talk for microphone for Derek Jato for Inside Boya.
All together known as that sick we call them coronavirus is for Southwest here. You don't hold plenty people. We don't test plenty people, about 280, and 31 we don't see and say they get the sick. Inside that 31, 3 they don't die already, and so on they come out, so on they see the hospital, so on they come out already for hospital. So it dey with way and make sure so many people they respect all the that law the way government don't give them, so that you wash your hand, you cover your nose with this thing. So you see no fit buy the kind one you use even any kind thing. If you help, they say oh water the quench fire at the top. So government already you have even president Bobby SSF don't talk say this, so he don't give way thing them where they will come this week, and when that thing they come they will give for all our people. They may no fear, may they just be careful as they walk, they cover themselves, cover themselves with down clothes, wear down gloves, everything.
Dr. Ebongo Zax Nanje being a regional delegate for sick people them for Southwest. And just so Sabi say, even as we no like and say Corona Day, but Corona don't make and say make with the chop fowl anyhow. So even a beggar if you go for market, he go buy your own fowl. Malice if you go market, go buy fowl. Fowl no cheap there again. So we'll be enter for inside market for Douala, country people them. Sabi say for Sika this Corona, for Sika this Corona just now. Now fowl says it don't cheap plenty for inside the market them for Douala. We'll be try for ask price them for fowl. Fowl there they be used to sell around that kind of 3,200 or 3,000 now. So the fowl it don't go down. It means a price now around 2,500. So one day they sell for for 5,000, they sell now for 4,500 or even for 4,000. As we market people then talk for we maybe we never fit for enter for that image. As we be go market, Mrs. F be go market for try for ask whether true that price them for fowl they don't go down bets. Anyhow, we go surely turn back on top that palaver for fowl when we turn back for yam tomorrow for inside that Tori for Equinox Tori House, as we will never fit forget that image as we be go inside market them. Yes, now the image and that as will be the talk fowl for Douala just now it don't cheap. Now it means say you fit go buy fowl say for 2,500 for now you fit chop and wait till the people then too they do just now say they fit kill the fowl, they divide them into 4 parts. If you come you can buy your own one part in 500. So now for tell you say they say now for sika this corona corona don't make them all thing don't wrong. So the people they say that for say make their business it is also continue for fall better make them too they get small till they feel look out the other day. So just now far away if you buy for 3,200 or 3,000 they sell them for 2,500. One the way they be the sell first time now 5,000 you fit buy and sell for 4,500. If you talk with more plenty you go buy them too for inside that 4,000 as we Tori enter for inside we here. And just now you too if you go buy now only one part for fowl 500 they go give you as we the thing it happen. So now just for tell we say corona no be now only for the show we were thing but even fowl people there they no be fit for chop, they fit chop and they fine. As soon as see palava for washing hand too, these people then too they sabi and they no one jump on top this commander in Gomna. It don't gear. And plenty house them, plenty Tory house and SSF, but they don't talk on top this Mike Pence, now vice president inside Donald Trump a country. If he goes see sick people them for hospital for that side so for Minnesota, but the pa enter you know wear face mask. We talk this palaver for Mike Pence, he been a vice president for that side so for America. So plenty Tory people they don't they ask question. He salute with a elbow, but when you see person there for a corner, he gets a mask where he don't take cover his nose and him up. Even person you know well, he don't cover his nose anymore. But the president, the vice president says, Donald Trump, when Oga Pata for America, he don't talk say make they cover their nose and their mouth. People they ask whether the man again has some special power where you know one here commander for big man when Oga Pata for America. So he come out, he enter for hospital, he no cover his nose, he no cover his mouth. So people they ask whether he don't be some special man where law he no go chakara chapie for down. Now people them where they fit judge. Make we enter for Spain sides. It be then a big cry with Veronica Casado. It been a big woman for inside sick people them work for Spain. You see as well they cry, you know the cry now for sick I say some person don't die with sabi, but now just for sick I say doctor them they don't suffer plenty. Someone then they don't die for sick this palaver for corona as well be the talk am. You know be fit for hide the face as we cry, it come up for a eye, you know be fit for hide them at all. Just for sabi say Spain to in the hear bad since when this palaver is start for inside we country. And just for sabi Nigeria when we neighbor too, we enter for day for finish story this afternoon. For Nigeria side, we'll talk with photo for that side. So for Niger, as soon as Sabi, case for Nigeria, they said a day. Yesterday, Nigeria be get plenty new case them for this palaver for corona. So here and the number it is also continue for go for up for Nigeria as we the people themselves where they work they show and for we maybe we no go fit for get that photo for inside the Nigeria for talk on top that number them before we finish. Okay, now the photo that we don't come. Yesterday Nigeria get new case them 195 where they tell we and the total number now 1,532 people that they get the sick. They already left 255 since really 6 starts and now only 44 or matters now 44 people them they don't kick bucket when a corona it carry them heads it go with them. Now before we come out this afternoon we are country people them who sabi say already come out of time but make we take una go for Nome Belga now some quarter for under Yawende 5 subdivision where the people themselves they don't vex. They say now on top their die body they go come out inside that quarter where they call am say Numel Benga, where e been a quarter for under Yawinde 5 subdivision. They say they don't shit down for the 10, 11 years for some people them, but now council, if the one can comot them by force, say me they comot, say the one can be their market. Now for inside this quarter, where these people they don't shit down for they for 11 for some, other one they don't shit down for 10 years, and the people them they don't talk say to a council they do, they no fit just understand at all. They say plenty time they don't turn struggle for say me they meet up with the mayor for dual Yawinde 5 subdivision, for say me they talk man to man, say make na palava for kan chakara, but mayor he never ever fit for talk with them. Mayor they sending them now for number 2 mayor. Number 2 mayor, they wait for number 2 mayor for 4 hours. The mayor, he can't see them, but he talk for them now only for 15 minutes. And when they think he provoke the people them. So they say they get their land book them and they don't talk. They say now only Caterpillar, he go commode them for that place, and they don't sandai say now on top their body, they go come chakara their house for inside Numel Bengal, where now some quarter for inside Yawinde 5 subdivision for that side where they call am saying Kolmeseng for Yawinde. So just now, all then they wait and they don't talk, they no go come out. They no go come out for that land at all. Say even Papa God come out say come, would the one move? He say they no go come out. Say they don't shit down for the 10 years, 11 years. Say now way council they can't talk for them. Say that land they be don't keep and say they go develop for market where the same that land they get other thing they will corner. So when you read that book, you go try for understand say true this palava for land for inside we country na palava for lock mop. Tori don't finish, we go take one strong number them for inside we newspaper them before we come out. So we go take any kind of style. We start with the guides and posts, so they tell we Gra Tango, head boy for territorial administration. Now he say he can't see as with that money 2 billion when Kunkuma talk, he don't buy cargo them, he enter for inside the different region them for inside we country. So for inside the guides and posts, you go read as we SDF said they don't talk say they want and say me they give serious cassingo for people them where it they so that they want cause confusion for inside a country. Inside the same chapter, if you read order to read them for the guides and posts, we enter for another one where they outside this afternoon. Now the Sun newspaper where they outside. Inside the Sun, they tell we as we Kunkuma a team them we give for a population. Just now it dey for roads for enter for all the 10 region them. So for they say corona, it don't make people them for limbe for confused as we mayor yourself it die for sick the sick. You go read to a Douala Archbishop, his Lordship Samuel Cledam. He don't sabi the medicine, country medicine, where they use them for look out sick people them for corona. We enter for the news, we enter for Newswatch, where they outside this afternoon, country people them. For Newswatch, waiting there for inside that Newswatch, country people them. So we go run quick, as we will time, it don't almost finish. We go enter for the other newspaper them. Maybe tomorrow, but we no fit left the one that we go. We get announced for people that they don't die. Maybe I beg you just give me any of the photo them for there. From here, I go try for find that announce so that if you talk, people there they don't lose way day for inside we news for this afternoon. We get this speaking where they call him say and Atese Eric. They say the Shidona for Boko village and this speaking. Say he come out for house since we come out he never turn him back for house. So family for house he beg any person where they keep this speaking. Say number where they for before tele 672-822-642 672-752-336 number where if you call they say plenty dash he wait you. Another case for loss for this afternoon una go see the photo too where they say I know sabi whether we get Wopong Wopom Shama, now they name that for the other case of person you don't lose. Yes, now they name that Wopom Shama Siaram, where they say he too he don't lose, and they say they so he come up for their family house for Yasam, and no person no sabi the side way don't go since we come up for house. So this speaking he then at 13 years. Any man where don't see this speaking 653-136-003 677-893-808 653-554-33 na number than that. Or if you bring up a Kino Story House, family say you go get dash for person if you help them for find their picking. Now they tori them that for this afternoon, Innocent Abega, Malice, and even Zefren Gondi, all them they be put eye for say make tori waka fine. Make una wait, other tori they go the camp for tori house, but me, if Papa go help, now for some time, una hold am tight for outside.